Hey guys, it's your boy Mitch. I'm gonna start documenting everything I do on YouTube. I'm gonna start working on the old Camaro again after it's sitting for 2 years. Finally got a roof over it and I'm bored, so first things first, I'm gonna take out this here broken seat. Shouldn't take too long, but I plan on just giving the interior a good thorough detail, and hopefully that'll inspire me enough to pull the transmission out, which is the reason it sat for 2 years. Work the kinks out in the engine from it sitting for 2 years, and we'll go from there. But yeah, I feel like documenting the process because I did it on TikTok, and that's a very lame place to do it, so YouTube it is. So I got the first nut off that's holding the chair to the studs in the car. These are rusty and they're really hard to take off, so I've decided before I break the studs, I'm gonna go ahead and run some kind of like PV blaster or something to loosen it, because I'm gonna lose a stud if I try and do that again, and last thing I need to do is make this harder on myself. Like any DIYer, I've got a toolbox full of just random crap. I don't know if I've got any kind. Oh, look at that! What's this? Come out! Ah, starting fluid. Not what I was looking for. Ooh, what's this here? Seafoam. Okay, I might have to go pick some up, because it appears, right, there's a can back here. Oh, nope, that's just detailing supplies. What's this then? Ooh, wheel cleaner. I could use that later. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go. I could spray some WD-40 on it, but it'll probably cause it to rust. Yeah, I'll have to go get some. I decided, screw it, I'll use my WD-40 today. It should be fine. If I can find the other bolt, that would be ideal. It's pretty dark in here. Maybe I can move the seat back. Oh, now she's pretty trashed. Is there a light on here? I don't know. I'll just have to feel for it. It's right here. Oh, you can't see nothing. I'll get back to you. The one here in the back looks kind of scary, but that might just be the rust from the seat, because that's the reason it doesn't stay up anymore. Let's see. It's pretty gross, honestly. A lot of rust. I don't know how this happened, honestly. Yeah, actually, that doesn't look too bad. We can save it. Here's my WD-40. Fuck. Woo! You stain my carpet. As if it's not already stained. We'll go ahead and hit this one too while we're at it. Yeah, that seat's ruined. Okay, even after soaking it with... Oh, Jesus Christ. That seatbelt just scared the crap out of me. So, even after soaking it with WD-40, I can't... that sucker's tight. So, a wise man once told me, my best friend's dad, don't force anything, just get a bigger hammer. So I don't know if that worked. Okay, so I just spent the last like 10 minutes hammering it this way, which turns out it's right, so I've just been tightening it, but I got it loose now. Kind of. But yeah, I just tightened it a bunch with the hammer instead of loosening it like I thought I was. Okay, so I got my seat out, and that was harder than I thought it would be, but I'm glad it's out. I noticed I have an old wallet in here. Oh, gross. That's been there a while, hasn't it? What is that? 12 gauge? Interesting. I know this is old. Look at that. Old license. Already making my money back. Look at that. You think anyone will take that one? Oh my gosh. I must have lost this and just totally forgot about it underneath that seat. We'll go through the wallet. So I got an old ID in here, pre-21 days. Look at how young I was. Nice. I think I saw an old debit card in here as well. Yeah, an old debit card here too. I don't know what this is. It's probably a social security card. I won't pull that out on you. Let's see here. Oh no, it's not. We're fine. It's my gun range membership. I was wondering where that went. What else is in here? Any more treasures? No cards. We got another license here. Wow, I got a bunch of licenses. This is this can't be too old. CDL. I've only had that for a couple years. Well, that's my seat out. It's time to clean a little bit. So this isn't really for the public. This is more just a private video for my friends and family and whoever wants to see what I'm up to. But I don't know how to like post it so only they can see it. Otherwise I have to give everyone the link, which I don't want to do. So I'm gonna leave it public. And if you stumbled across this video, I guess hi if you watched it this long. I don't really plan on like YouTubing. It's not something like I imagine myself doing. It's more of like a vlog, they call it, just, you know, for the people who know me. But if you want to stick around, you can. It's just probably gonna be really boring stuff that most people just fast forward through 90% of it. But you know, I just thought I'd put my life out there a little more. I'm a unique person, I think, and a lot of people seem to have interest in my life, so I'm not afraid of sharing it. But thanks for watching it if you did, and I do plan on continuing these videos as I work on my car. In fact, both of them. I plan on bagging the Caprice you saw in the background soon too, with some of this overtime money I've been getting from Hurricane Ian. But thanks again, and I'm real awkward because I don't do good on cameras, but have a nice night, guys.